Hey guys, Danny here. Today we're looking at another pair of Bluetooth wireless earbuds. These are using Bluetooth version 5.0. These were sent to me from Banggood for review. So we're going to unbox these now and take a look at them. You can see at first glance the case that they come in is pretty big. It will still fit in most pockets, but it's quite bulky compared to some of the other devices that I've seen. It does also boast the ability to be used as a power bank, so the extra size is useful for that, and you also get a lot of charges into the earbuds themselves. You can recharge the earbuds about 12 to 13 times in my testing, but they advertise 16 times. I don't think you'll get this many, and the earbuds themselves last for roughly 2 hours per charge. They are quite bulky. They have a shiny finish to them, but they are black, so I prefer that they are a bit more of a stealthy look. The case itself feels of a decent quality. It feels quite sturdy. The case is a little bit tricky to open as it is a little bit stiff. They have some LEDs you can see that light up on the top of them. They are actually quite bright, especially if you're in a dark room. I also got really good connectivity with these. I was able to walk a good 7 or 8 meters away from these headphones and they still seem to work well. The quality of them is really good. The bass in these is probably the best in any of the earbuds that I've tested so far on this channel. There are also touch sensitive buttons on the side of the earbuds, which I prefer. On some of the ones that I've tested in the past actually have physical buttons. They can be a little bit uncomfortable because when you press them it pushes them into your ear. So these are as simple to use as any of the others that I've tested. You take them out of the case and they will go into pairing mode. If you haven't already done this, you simply connect to them using your phone via Bluetooth. Once you've done this, putting them away will turn them off. Once you take them out again, they will automatically connect to your phone, so it couldn't be any simpler. You also get this little box here which comes with some spare earbuds. I won't be using any of these as the ones that are already fitted were fine for me. And you also get a micro USB charging cable which you can use to, of course, charge up the case, and I will also show you now. Again, as I said, you can use this to charge up other devices and essentially use this as a power bank. So you can see I've got a pair of different earbuds here that I actually plug in and you can see they start to charge. So the main difference between these earbuds and others that I've tested is the fact that they have a big charging case, so you can get a longer runtime out of these because you can charge them a lot more times before you need to top up the case itself. But of course you are sacrificing some space because they are bigger. The earbuds themselves are also slightly bigger, which makes them a little bit more bulky, so if this is something you're concerned about, you should bear that in mind. If you want some that are really low key, there are some smaller sized earbuds that you can pick up. Overall, I have no problems recommending these. They performed well in my testing. They had good connectivity, good bass and decent volume. The clarity I would say is average, as you would expect at earbuds at this price point. If you want to pick these up guys, I will put a link down in the description for you. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing for more videos like this one, and of course I will see you in the next one.